10 Best 1-ton Split AC in India 2019. 10. Carrier 1-ton 3-star Split AC CA 12 EK3R39F0 plus CF123R3CC90 Review. The inverter compressor in this carrier AC is the ideal one to ensure high-class performance while saving power at the same time. These ACs make less noise as well because the compressor does not switch on and off at regular intervals. The 1-ton AC is ideal for the average Indian bedroom measuring around 120 square feet. This AC is a 3-star AC whereby it is good on the energy-saving front. It has other interesting features like air direction control, security lock, refrigerant leakage detector, louver position memory, intelligent CRF alert, turbo mode, auto cleaner, double drain pipe facility and so on. The R32 refrigerant is an environmentally friendly one. Samsung 1-ton 3-star inverter split AC AR12 NV3HLTR Review. The highlight of this Samsung AC is the 8-pole digital inverter that consumes less energy than the conventional compressors, thereby making it efficient and durable. The heat exchange coils require protection from corrosion. The Durafin technology ensures high corrosion resistance because of the denser and thicker metal design with an improved coating to enhance heat transfer. The Good Sleep feature controls the temperature during the night and allows you to sleep comfortably. It also saves energy in the bargain. The Samsung AC comes with protection for its components like compressor protector, controller protector, and fin and chassis protector. Blue Star 1-ton 3-star inverter split AC by 3CNHW12 NAFU Review. The USP of the Blue Star AC is the 7-stage advanced filtering options available in each AC. These filters provide the highest degree of comfort by ensuring the circulation of pure and fresh air inside the rooms. The Comfort Sleep function adjusts the temperature during the night and maintains it at a comfortable level. This AC is a smart one because it senses the pockets of warm and cold air in the room and concentrates on keeping a uniform temperature throughout the room, thereby increasing the comfort for the user. The R410A refrigerant is an environmentally friendly one that has no ozone depletion potential. Voltas 1 ton 4-star inverter split AC 124 VSCS review. Voltas AC units come with an inbuilt stabilizer that protects the AC from wide voltage fluctuations. This AC can work in a voltage range of 150V to 270V. This Voltas AC works on the inverter compressor that not only delivers excellent performance but saves power as well. The 4-stage filtration function ensures the supply of pure and fresh air by eliminating pollutants like allergens, dust mites, dirt, pollen, and animal dander along with bacteria and viruses. The copper condenser coil enhances the durability of the AC by delivering an efficient cooling performance. Matachi 1.0 ton 5-star inverter split AC MIS AC 105 INV35 review. Many new AC manufacturers have sprung up in India in recent times. Matachi is one such company producing AC units of good quality. One of the significant features of the Matachi air conditioner is the turbo cooling mode that quickens the cooling performance of the AC, unlike the conventional ACs that take a lot of time. The dehumidifying process ensures to eliminate the excess moisture from the room and allow for breathing of fresh air. The anti-dust filter removes particulate matters such as dust, mites, pollen, bacteria, industrial smoke, and other pollutants to help circulate fresh and pure air inside the rooms. 5. Godrej 1 ton 5-star inverter split AC GSC 12 gig 5 DGOG review. This Godrej AC perfectly combines utility and style. It not only enhances the comfort factor by delivering an excellent cooling performance but also helps in purifying the indoor air with its unique set of filters. The Godrej AC has an alloy condenser, PFC condenser, and alloy of copper and aluminium, with nano coating technology to protect the coils from corrosion and ensuring its longevity. The dry mode removes the excess humidity from the room and makes you feel comfortable. This AC works on the R290 refrigerant, an environmentally friendly feature with no ozone depletion and low global warming potential. Voltas 1 ton 3-star split AC 123 CZA review. Faultless is one of the oldest AC manufacturing companies in India. It also manufactures some of the most robust ACs in India today. The Voltas AC comes with exciting features like the instant cooling function that works on the turbo mode to cool the room in the quickest time possible. The active humidifier feature senses the indoor humidity in the monsoon season and controls it automatically. This AC comes with copper condenser coils, thereby enhancing the heat exchange performance to ensure high-quality cooling with savings in power consumption. LG 1 ton 3-star inverter split AC Q12INXA review. LG has many air conditioner models with similar features. The Q12INXA is similar to the Q12INZA in many ways. This AC comes with an inverter compressor that adjusts power depending on the heat load. It is an efficient AC and delivers the lowest noise among all its contemporaries. The low refrigerant detection feature detects the fall in the level of the refrigerant that can affect the cooling performance of the AC. The LG AC units use the R32 refrigerant. Dakin 1 ton 3-star inverter split AC ATKL35 TV review. The econo mode function in this AC is a unique one in the sense that it enables efficient operation by limiting the maximum power consumption. It also comes with a good sleep timer function that prevents excessive cooling of the room at night, thus saving power consumption. The Neo Swing technology reduces vibration and friction while preventing any leakage of the refrigerant. This AC works on the R32 refrigerant. The inverter compressor in this carrier AC is the ideal one to ensure high-class performance while saving power at the same time. These ACs make less noise as well because the compressor does. The inverter compressor is the best one to ensure excellent performance while consuming the least power. This LG AC comes with dual cool technology and Himalaya cool technology. The inbuilt stabilizer protects your appliance by withstanding extreme voltage fluctuations. It is an environmentally friendly AC because it uses the R32 refrigerant.